Hello, welcome to lesson 9. Today we are going to be making garlic and cheesy breadsticks. The recipe, ingredients, and step-by-step instructions will be down in the description. Add in all our ingredients: flour, yeast, olive oil, and water, of course. And then you mix it up. I'm using bread flour today. Adding in about 3.5 cups of flour to about 1.5 cups of water. And that's salt. I always put my salt last so it doesn't interfere with my yeast. Since I don't bloom my yeast, I just put the salt last. Time to mix it all up. No need to add any water until all the flour is hydrated. Then you can judge if you want more water. Switch to mixing with my hands because the dough got tougher and tougher. All the flour is hydrated, but there's just a little bit at the bottom, as you can see that there's a few, so I'm rubbing it in there to catch as much flour as possible. And then I needed just a tiny bit of water. You see that water? Just a tiny bit. So then I'm going to use the dough and rub it around the bowl to collect all the extra flour that did not get hydrated. And after that, I am going to cover that and let it rise for an hour. It's been an hour, so I am strengthening the dough a little bit more by bringing it from the sides in, stretching it out a little bit, which will give it a little bit more strength. I'm putting some semolina down on the surface. You can use flour if you want to, but semolina also works if you have some around. Now here I'm dividing my dough. I want more cheese sticks than I do the garlic sticks. So I'm going to make one dough slightly bigger than the other for my cheese sticks. Balling it up, and then I'm going to let it rest for a few minutes and then come back to it to make the cheese sticks. Now, do not roll this dough. Try your best to use your hands. If you follow the water amounts, your dough should be good enough to stretch by your hands without rolling it. Rolling it will change the texture, will make it tougher. So we don't want tough breadsticks. So just naturally stretch it by hand. Gently stretch your dough to a rectangle size. Take your time, no rush. As you can see, the dough is not tearing. So that means that you have enough structure to stretch it out successfully. In the meantime, put some semolina on your baking pan. You can use parchment paper, whatever you have at home to make your breadsticks not stick to your baking pan or sheet. Slice the breadsticks into the width that you want and then place them on your baking pan. I am putting those two to the side because they are thin in the middle, so I'll ball them back up and reslice them. Use your bench scraper to help you lift the sticks onto your baking sheet. The thinness happens sometimes when you're making breadsticks. So after all the breadsticks are on the sheet pan, we're going to let it rise for 30 minutes. Then we will zap it in the oven at 375 for about 7 minutes. Then we're going to take it out and put the cheese on. And then put it back in the oven for another 10 minutes. But all those instructions will be in the description for you to follow. The reason why we do that is because we don't want the cheese to burn. And these are breadsticks, so they're thinner and they cook fast. After 7 minutes, I am putting on the cheese for my cheesy breadsticks. My garlic breadsticks are still there because it's not yet cooked. Gotta work fast so the temperature doesn't drop too far. Can you hear that sizzling? Look at that. Look at the golden, beautiful breadsticks. Let me turn it so you can see it better. Now I'm going to put the garlic butter over the garlic side. Oh, listen to that. You definitely need some dipping sauce. So I made a tomato-based dipping sauce and a soy sauce dipping sauce with rice wine vinegar, a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of lime. All the ingredients will be down in the description. Let's test the tomato sauce. Tomato-based dipping sauce. Oh, that's delicious. Now the soy sauce dipping sauce. Now you can dip either type of breadstick into either sauce. Listen, you gotta make these breadsticks. They are delicious. Until next time, bon appetit! Oh, and lesson 10 will be focaccia.